Chevy. Hi there, I am Poppin' PJ, and we love your Chevrolet truck. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
It was a ground-up restoration, a truck I always wanted since I was a young boy, and finally got one. And after probably about 5 or 6 years of hard work after I retired, I finally got it done.
So cool. And what is the name of this truck I see here?
Mint Julep.
Mint Julep.
And I always name my vehicles I do.
Just like people name their boats.
Yeah, and I couldn't think of a name, but I watched the Kentucky Derby. And I seen all the pretty ladies with their
Yes,
fine
all the Southern
clothes
belles, yes,
and
drinking
mint
their
julep.
mint juleps.
And everybody calls this mint. And I said, well, there you go.
Awesome. What a great story. Well, thank you so much.